Facing trouble signing into your Apple Music account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure the Wi-Fi is strong enough. If not, you can also try using the cellular data. Once you have the strong internet connection, the next thing you want to do is simply move into your application Apple Music. Once you're in this page, close the application and reopen it. It will refresh the app. After that, move into the settings of a device. Move into General. Scroll down and head over to Background app and refresh. Over here, you have to make sure that the music app is toggled on. After that, go back and head over to iPhone storage. Once the page loads, move into the application Apple Music. In this page, click on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.